guys, so my name is Tessa. In case you've never seen my face, hello and it's nice to meet you. So I just finished workout. I feel absolutely disgusting, yet for some reason I turned on the camera. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do resistance training for lean muscle. I get asked this question so much, and there's a lot of stigma around weight training, around resistance training, especially for girls, that if you're going to do it, you're going to become like this big, huge, bulky man. I'm a dancer. I grew up being told, lift weights and you're going to immediately become huge and bulky. Guys, that's not at all the case. Resistance training is key to sculpting, toning, and strengthening the body, especially lifting up the butt, toning up the arms, and such for us girls. It is very, very, very important, so stop being afraid of resistance training. Apply these 2 rules I'm about to share with you guys, and I promise you will not at all bulk. You're just going to tone, strengthen, sculpt, get that lean muscle. So yeah, let's get into this. Rule number 1, low weight, high reps. This one is so important. So instead of going to the gym and doing 3 squats with a ton of weight, we want to do 20 squats 3 times with less weight. So for me, I take 10, 15 pounds in each hand and I'll do 20 squats 3 times. So this way we're sculpting, toning, strengthening the muscle without just bulking it. So once again, low weight, high reps that will tone, sculpt, strengthen the muscles without bulking them. Key, do it. You can check all my workouts out. I'll have them linked up above, but they're proof. That's literally how I build all my workouts. They all are low weight, high reps, so just check those out for an example. Rule number 2, keep your heart rate up. You want to build your workout like a cardio workout. You maybe do circuits, that's my favorite. So you always have your heart rate up rather than lifting a couple weights, taking a 5-minute break, lifting a couple weights, taking a 5-minute break. We want to have our heart rate up the whole time. So again, check out my workouts for examples, but you'll see, you'll do one of my workouts and you realize the entire time your heart rate's up rather than taking big breaks, slowing the heart rate and such. So that's key to really burning all the calories and still getting in that cardiovascular exercise. And a big thing too regarding all of resistance training is by creating this toned, lean, sculpted body, you're going to be replacing fat with muscle. Muscle burns more calories. So literally by doing this technique, by building your muscle, replacing the fat, your body's going to be functioning better, burning more calories naturally. So yeah, overall, just don't be afraid of resistance training. It is how you sculpt the body. Do these 2 rules, apply them always, and I promise you will be good. Once again, check out my workouts for examples. I'm an example person. I need to like visually see something and then I understand it. But yeah, I hope that that all makes sense to you guys. I get so many questions, and I again was taught that it was a terrible thing that's gonna make you all bulky, and that is so not true. So I don't want you guys to think that either. But yeah, I hope that you learned from this video. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. Follow me on Instagram for daily workouts, blah, 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 all that stuff. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.